Welcome to another unboxing from the Perth Mint. Today we're unveiling the unique Year of the Snake Quadrant 2025 1-ounce silver-proof coloured 4-coin set designed by Lucas Bowers. The set is housed in a beautifully illustrated presentation package that includes a blue watercolour landscape of mountains and trees, accompanied by a numbered certificate of authenticity. Once inside, you'll find 4 Tuvalu legal tender 1-ounce silver-proof pieces that fit together in the shape of an ancient Chinese Bang Liang coin. Struck from 99.99% pure silver, the 4 individual 1-ounce pieces each portray a coloured snake. The top coin depicts a yellow-coloured snake hanging from a tree in its native forest and shrubland. Included in the background are the sloped tiers of an overhanging pagoda roof, a traditional part of Chinese architecture. The right-hand coin depicts a green-coloured snake curled amongst the lush leaves of a rainforest, with a pagoda and a rocky waterfall in the background. The bottom coin depicts a blue-coloured snake with its distinctive striped markings. It sits coiled on a rocky ledge near a moon bridge. The left-hand coin depicts a dramatic purple and red-coloured snake. The snake sits entwined in a tree, watching over the river bridge. The obverse of the coin bears the Jody Clark effigy of His Majesty King Charles III, as well as the coin's weight, purity, monetary denomination and year date. With a mintage of just 1,500, we recommend ordering soon, either from the Perth Mint shop or online at perthmint.com.